Are you in this video? I am going to talk about very interesting topic. First, I would like to tell you myself, Aman, and the topic in which I am going to talk about is that how can we eliminate corruption from our country? How can we reduce the current from our country? It is not the problem of our country. It is the problem all over the world. Most of the country is facing the problem of the corruption. So I today I am standing front of the Sri Ram International Airport. You can see behind me this is the front gate of the Sri Ram International Airport, and today is very special day because the Prime Minister, sorry, President of the India has visited there because you know Draupadi Murmu is now President of India, is a president of India. So today he has come she has come for the darshan of Sri Ram Prabhu. So today she has come here, and that's why before the few minutes there was too much police standing here. So many police was standing here before the few minutes, but now every police, every type of the security has gone because she also has gone. So today is very special day, and she came to Ayodhya for the darshan of the Bhagwan Sri Ram, God Sri Ram. So so that's why the security is too much tight to the in this airport. I did not say I can't able to, I could not see show you the security because I was not available there at that time. So but today I am going to talk about very interesting topic, and the topic is that how can we reduce the corruption from our country. So as I told you, it is not the problem of our country, it is the problem of the overall the world. Most of the countries facing this type of the problem because this is very huge problem overall the world. This is a very vital problem. You can say this is very massive problem, but of course if we are aware, we are responsible. So of course if we will follow some rule, if we will follow some strategies, of course we can reduce the quantity of corruption, we can reduce the amount of corruption, I mean we can reduce the corruption. So in this video I am going to talk about some very beautiful and extremely beautiful rules by which you can if you by which any one country we if any one country will apply it, of course they can grow, they can, because corruption is one of the most big problem for the growing of any one country. If any one country has fulfilled too much corruption, of course they are not able to grow, they are not able to reach at the peak point. If we want if any country want to grow, first see it should finish the first we should finish the corruption from our country, then we can grow. So if we will follow some rule, if we will follow some strategies, of course we can do, we will. So the what is my rules? So the first rule of my list is our citizen, our say awareness of our citizen. What does it mean? It means, as you know, India is a democratic country. We all know India is a democratic country, and if you are talking about the India, then we are democratic. We are living in that type of the country where so power is distributed to overall the everyone hand. I mean, here if you're talking about the India, then every people have some rights, some special rights. Every people have some duty, and every people have some freedom. So power has been distributed everyone hand. And if you're talking about the who is the government in India, then people of the India is itself government. So when I am going to talk about awareness of the people, so it means if we are aware, if we are responsible, of course we can finish the corruption, we can reduce the amount of corruption. because if we can live a awareness life, if we can live a responsible life, if we can understand our duty, of course we can reduce the amount of corruption. Because we are the citizen of our country, if we have to grow our country, then we need to aware, we need to responsible. If you are not corrupted, nobody can blame to you that you are corrupted. Yeah, of course. So many person is facing that type of the problem when he did not do any type of mistake, even that he is facing some problem. But it is not go, it will not go for all time after, because truth can be stop, but truth can be fall, but truth cannot be defeat. So you can understand, truth can be fall, but truth cannot be defeat. So if you are going to truth, if your way, if your path, if your route is truth, of course you will not defeat, you will win in the future. So through belief to yourself, I will, and understand your duty, understand your responsibility, because India is our country. We are living that type of country where we have too much power, we have too much freedom here. If you're talking about the corruption, as I choose this topic, corruption, so I have so many rules by which we can reduce the amount of corruption from our country, but I give 80%, 80% priority to this my first rules. What did I say? My first rule: awareness of people. If we are educated, if we are aware, nobody can do corruption with us. Because we are aware. I am talking about my story. Before the 2 days, I need to do some work. I need I had to do some work, and for that I visit a office, and there I visited a office, and when I visited there, a person met me. He said me that, why did you come here? I said, I have to do some, I have to do some work, that's why I came here. So he asked me, what is your work? I mean, what type of work you need to complete here? Then I said, I explained whatever I need. Then he said me, give me 200 rupee. I will do your homework. He was asking for money, extra money, because he is doing corruption at that place. But I refused his proposal. I said, I can do, I will do, and I did my work without any money, without giving to anybody money. So you can understand that if you are aware, then nobody can cheat you. And if you will give money, of course corruption will increase, corruption all will more increase, and you will face problem, your generation will also face problem. So you need to understand, if we will do same, our, and then our generation will also do same. If we are corrupted, our generation also will be corrupted. So you need to understand that how can we come out from this type of the disease, and we can live a beautiful life without corruption, and we can grow to our country, we can contribute to grow our country. Because as in we are, first we are a Indian. If we first, we have to understand that this is our matrabhumi, and we have to be honest, but we have to live a honest life, no matter what do you eat, what do you wear, where do you live. If your heart, if your mind is good, if your mind is pure, if your heart is pure, then of course you will live a perfect life. I would like to tell you that type of the person who doing corruption every day, I would like to tell him, if you have earned too much money for doing corruption, I would like to tell you that money will never give you satisfaction, never will give you stability, never will give you peace and happiness. So no matter how, what's your position, what's your power, what's your wealth, uh, what's your whatever you have, no matter if you accumulated through the corruption, then it will not give you happiness anyway. So you need to live. You need to live. So first, as I told you, my first thing is awareness of people. If we are aware, nobody can snatch the right which we have. If you will increase, because one man cannot finish all the corruption. If government said I have passed a scheme, through this scheme, if anybody will do corruption, and if he will catch by the police, he will punish him very difficult. He will give him very difficult punishment. So of course it will impact on the society, but it cannot be finished. Because if we are doing corruption day by day, who will go to be complain to the police? Because we are also doing. So we need to aware that how can we become sucham, how can we become good, how can we become honest person. If we can do, we can finish the corruption, we can eliminate the corruption from our country, and we can also contribute to the growth of our country. Because if you can grow, if you can contribute to grow of our country, then you are real Indian. You are real Indian, and you are loving to, you love to your uh, matrubhumi. So you need to apply, you need to become responsible person, you need to become honest person. No matter if you are earning some money through unethical practices, of course that money will reach you at high position. But at that position, if you will not able to stable for whole time, because earth is round, there is no place upon this earth to keep you wrong. So the same phenomena will happen. When they will change, you will go to be loser, you will go to the zero from the hero, because you have accumulated all of things through the bad practices. So you need to understand, whatever you are earning, you need to earn that thing through the good practices. Okay, so the first thing is awareness of people, and the second thing is the people who are doing corruption, you should aware. Because if you are earning money for your children, if you are earning money for your children, for the wedding of your daughter, for the study of your children, for the houses, for the clothes, of course give me answer. If you are if you are doing corruption day by day for the study of your children, if your children will not study in good way, what will you do? What will you do? Have you any answer for give me? Do you have any answer to give me? No. Because I would like to tell you, if you will do bad things, same thing will happen with your child. Your child will go also go to the wrong things. He cannot be find happy. You are saying every day I am earning money for my family. Your family cannot live happy life, because you have snatched the right of other, you have snatched the right of poor, you have snatched the right of weakness people. So how can you why did you thinking that why are you thinking that I can be happy through this money? That money never will give you good life, that money never will give you peace life, that money never will give you happiness life. So you need to understand. If you, but I would like to also tell you, if you are earning money, whatever you are doing, if you are earning less money, and if you are earning that money good practices, then your child will grow and grow more. Of course, your child will reach at that position where nobody want to reach, where no where if you want to, your child reach at that position which is better, which is more better. Because I know to the so many person in my surrounding who is living, they are doing day by day corruption. I am saying looking that people, I am saying that I am saying that they did not they don't happy, they don't live happy. So what is the reason? When I tried to find out, then I found the way of earning money that type of person is wrong. That's why he is struggling so many problems in his life, because this is the natural force which is attract to the wrong. I mean, this is the natural force on the universe. If you will do, if you will do bad, something happen with you. Like that, when the north pole of the magnet attract to the south pole of the magnet, same force is applied in your life. If you do bad, you will get bad. So you need to aware, you need to become responsible. So if we can do this, if you can aware, so the first rule is awareness of people. This is the, I think this is enough rule for all of us, because if we are aware we can finish the corruption. There is no more talk about this, because if we are aware, we are responsible, we are understanding our duty, we are reacting to the people with good way. So of course we can find a good thing, we can grow, we can grow more. So I think this is enough. I will see you in the next video. What's your suggestion to me? Give me whatever you want to give me suggestion. I will try to improve myself every day, every time. I will see you in the next video. So you can see this is the Sri Ram International Airport. The lighting of this airport is looking so nice, so exquisite.